Well, we're going to try and put this here window in. I just hope it feels like it's supposed to. We'll sure find out here in just a second. Now let's see how level she is. Not too bad. Very close. I say it's off a little bit there, but right there, that's the same thing. Might be my level. A little more what I want it to be. I swear. Well, let me go and see what I can look at in there, see if I can figure out anything different in there. Well, I got as level as I can get it. Not perfect, but it's close enough. Yeah. Like everything else around here, ain't nothing perfect out here. Crooked lumber, unlevel pad. I'll get it. I mean, it's still gonna look good. I mean, it might be off just a fraction, but it's not enough to really worry about, I don't think. Now, some people might differ on that. Use up some of these roofing tanks I got that I'm not going to use. I see people using these things around this thing. got warm out here. Maybe a little stubborn. Yeah, unlevel path, crooked lumber, all adds up whenever you're trying to put something in. I don't want it to be plumb. Almost makes it impossible. And everything else is out plumb. So, yeah, man. I know it's always sound like a bunch of excuses. And it is to a certain extent. But sometimes you got to try to make chicken salad out of chicken shit. It's just the way it is. Nature of the beast. But it all worked out in the long run. There's no 2 or 3 years from now, I might be perfectly plumb. Who the hell knows? This stuff, when it stays so wet, it's liable. Anything liable to start sinking out here for all I know. Need to get them pipes put in this ditch. I'm thinking about calling somebody. My wife said, I just got too much to do. I need to see if I can find somebody to do it. And I'm sure there's plenty of people say they can do it. But doing it and doing it right is two different things. So, that's the problem. That guy told me he could lay stonework in my well house right there. Luckily, he did it by the job, not by the hour, because if I'd have paid him by the hour, it would cost me twice as much. Because he stayed on the phone more than he did anything. Now I know I had to go back over some of what he did. I was looking at it a while ago, and a couple of stones he put up and fell off. So I got to fix them. And this is, you can't get quality help anymore. You can get help. Sometimes it's more of a hindrance than it is a help. The big thing is, you don't know how to do it, just tell me you don't know how to do it, but you'll try to do it to my specifications. I can respect that all day long. It's kind of, oh yeah, I've done plenty of that. Because you ain't never done none of it. It's a bunch of talk. Been trying to blow smoke up my ass. Trying to be something that you ain't. For me, I'll never claim to be the master of any damn thing. Not even my own faith. like to be, but like everything else, you can only control so much. But everything I've ever done, I try to give it 100%. As I've gotten older, I might not quite give it 100%. I try to. And I'm sure a younger person would probably do it, a lot better than me, a lot faster than me. But it looks all right. Like I said, it was pretty close. So I get two different readings. This one up here shows it's a little low. Now here it says it's right dead on. So I don't know which one's right. I mean, all I can go by is about 11, and let's see what the bottom of it looks like. I'll put this big level on it. See what that looks like. That's pretty damn close. It might be off just a smidge. But you gotta remember, this is old vinyl windows. These little corners, sometimes they let them stick out a little bit. That holds you off a little, so it's kind of course, I ain't gonna put no damn $1,000 window in the damn garage. So that's gonna work for me. That's y'all like my big old hat, my big ass hat. I have to take my ears. I already had some cancer cut off my right ones. God, way back when we lived in Winston-Salem, man, that was right around 2000, gosh, 2006, somewhere along there, maybe. They had cancer on my right ear, melanoma. They cut that off. You can't even tell it. They did an excellent job, people that did it. But that's the reason I wear a hat everywhere I go. Just trying to protect my ears and my head. I had a big old thing on my forehead right up here. Since I live in Dank, I went to a dermatologist in Alabaster, Dr. Boudreaux. And he cut a chunk out of here. Man, he sewed that thing back together. He cut out of it. It was about the size of my finger. Probably about like that, I guess. And man, after that numbness wore off, that son of a buck hurt like Hades, man. Good God, that hurt. But it didn't come back. You know, they cut it out, and they retest. They get a little sample out. They go in there and they test it, and come back and cut a little more. That's the way they did my ear. They had to do it about two more times. Cut on it, make sure they got all the cancer cells out, and that is not fun. Now my ear, it didn't hardly even hurt at all. But that's mainly cartilage anyway. But man, my forehead, when he done that on my forehead, ooh boy, that sucker hurt. God almighty. And I was wearing a hard hat at work then, and the brim of that hard hat right there on that damn thing. I mean, literally the headband of that hard hat rested right on that place where they cut that daggone cancer out. Cannot catch a break. Or I can't, don't seem like. But anyway, we got her in. Windows in. I'll get ready to get my trim around it, and I can start putting some lumber over here on this backside.